when it comes to our sponsors coming on board, we basically draw a line and say they have to order the flags from Strike, because we've taken, this flag is 4 years old. It has been at 10,000 feet all across the country, winds from 50 to 80 miles an hour. The stakes hold up, the flags hold up. This thing has been through the ringer. This gets put up at every event we do. And so when I tell sponsors that they're gonna buy flags, oh, we'll buy, no, you won't. You'll buy from Strike. One, because it keeps all of our stuff universal, and two, we know the quality is up to par. And we know that it represents our brand the way we want to be represented. And if it does it well for us, then it's going to do it well for our title sponsor, all the way down to our 10x10 vendors. Great customer service. I believe in their products. They always come through. The design team's great, and the customer service is on point. Communication level is high, and the execution is top-notch. Nothing to say but 2 thumbs up, 5 stars, however you want to put it in the world of ratings, but Strike is where it's at.